It's Joeysworld. Guess what today is? It's World Nature Conservation Day.
What does that mean, Joe?
It's a great day to try and help to make a healthier environment.
Huh, so how can we do that?
You can recycle cans like this. Isn't that beautiful? As always, you can use an environmental healthy bag like this one. You can use rags instead of paper towels. You can help change the environment by turning out the lights.
Hey! What?
And support and visit places that can make a difference. We're at the Marine SELBY Botanical Gardens.
Awesome.
It's located in Sarasota, Florida, about 2 hours from Disney. And this place is beautiful. There's an audio tour on your phone that explains a lot. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the exhibition audio tour.
What does that mean?
That means you need a cell phone to dial this number.
Everywhere you look, you'll see plants growing on tree branches or on rocks. They don't need
Kid's got it on his phone.
We're almost in the middle of nowhere. Almost. It was founded in 1975, so some of the trees are huge.
Joey, look at this. What is going on here?
It's an awesome tree.
I mean, that is... Look at the bench by comparison. Those roots are ridiculous.
Here we are, we finally made it. In downtown Sarasota. Isn't it beautiful? And sits on 15 acres right along Sarasota Bay. It is just beautiful here. They even host private events and weddings too.
Wow.
Each generation of SELBY Gardens, there'll be new plaques in the years to come. celebrating the beauty and heritage of this wonderful place.
I just love the stained glass.
But this was better than I expected. And when you need a break, there's plenty of places to do that. There's even a cafe. And there's a place for fun too. Whoa, what is this? The Source Family Robinson Tree House?
Oh my God, Joey. I think you have Disney on the brain. Let's go check it out.
Let's go. Ooh.
A little small for you, huh?
But it was worth it.
Joey, what are you seeing?
It's a Froggy Frog world.
Oh my God, those are cool. Oh my gosh. Crazy. Oh, you have to go back that way?
And boy, my legs are going. My legs are still feeling it.
What happened?
Boom. I can still feel the shivers in my legs.
Oh my goodness.
Holy cow.
This place is awesome. What is that song you're playing?
NBC.
NBC. Joey.
Hey, NBC. I think that's the way to make cookies. I totally recommend it. And I learned a lot. And by supporting the M, I help the environment too. So what do you do to celebrate on World Nature Conservation Day? Tell me below in the comments.
On a Sunday afternoon.
But, what does it say?
Don't drink it.
No. Hey, are you hungry?
Yeah, I am hungry.
Why don't you go grab a coconut? Can't reach it. What kind of land?
It must be living with the land. It must be living with the land.
It's living with the land.
It's a desert.
Yes, it's a desert. Watch out, Joe. There's a big bug right over your head.
Oh,
Do you see it? There's a big bug. You see it?
Whoa, man.
I told you, there's a big bug there.
This lizard wants to save you 50% or more on your car insurance in 15 minutes.
It does, huh?
He does. Feed me, Seymour. Feed me all night long.
Whoa, he just might. Let's take a look at this.
Here's a plaque.
What were you gonna say?
I thought that was a road course.
No.
I was wrong. December. Uh-oh, December. Boom, boom. He's coming. And he's coming to your sick cast.